This is the Total Tools Wall Chisel, 1500 watt. What caused this machine to break down? Okay, let's find out. For this machine, come with 5-inch diamond disc cutting blade, only available for 4, not for 5. So once you use a 5 blade, it's much heavier for this machine, so it will cause the damage of the armature. As you can see now, it's a 5 blade, so you will reduce 1 blade, so it becomes 4. As you can see, there's an indication to open up the nut inside to replace the diamond disc cutting. Okay, before you open it up, there's a button here, so once you press, this will lock. Okay, now we are trying to open up this nut. There's an indication. Don't forget, it's opposite way. Okay, right now we open up. Okay, now we open it up. Reduce 1 piece of this diamond disc cutting disc. Okay, normally I prefer to put all the diamond discs in the same direction of this. You can see this hole, so every piece is the same. Okay, that depends on individual, but I prefer this way. Okay, it's more all the same. Okay, now we are tightening it up, and we will take a test. As this wall chisel, you can attach to the vacuum cleaner, so when during the cutting, there's not much reduce the dust. Get a good disc, let it make it more sharp, so when it cut, doesn't put a lot of pressure to the machine. This is a 5-inch, get a good one, get a sharp one, reduce the force to the machine. Okay, if you have any doubt, any question, there's a link below here, contact us, or there's a link in the blue color line on top there. Contact us.